Hello everyone, welcome. Today our stick painting works our fish and color it. Let's use a black mark pen to draw a fish. First draw a fat and round body. There is also a beautiful fish tail. This is cute fish eyes. Little mouth. Don't forget to swim in fins. We also have beautiful patterns, wavy line, circle. Ish is swimming in the water and spit bubble. It's so cute. The simple picture is done now. It's great to bold a simple stroke with a maker pen. That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Rose. Pink. Yellow. Purple. Lime. Pink. Orange red. Light green. Grass green. Green. Light blue. Yellow. Gray violet. Illuminating. Blue bubble. Blue water. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.